Welcome to Healthy Lifestyle, your go-to source for quick and healthy meal prep ideas. Today we're diving into a world of flavors, nutrients, and convenience. We all know that healthy eating is essential, but who said it has to be time-consuming or stressful? With meal prepping, you can have your nutrient-packed meals ready in no time, saving you the stress of daily cooking. So buckle up and get ready to revolutionize your meal prep routine. Starting your day with a healthy meal is essential. Let's dive into some quick and nutritious breakfast ideas. Our first breakfast idea is a classic with a twist: avocado toast paired with a hard-boiled egg. To prepare this, you'll need a ripe avocado, whole grain bread, and an egg. Start by boiling the egg to your preference. While the egg is cooking, mash the avocado and spread it on your toasted bread. Peel the egg, slice it, and place it on top of the avocado spread. This meal is packed with healthy fats from the avocado, protein from the egg, and complex carbs from the whole grain bread, ensuring you'll have sustained energy throughout your morning. Next up is a sweet yet wholesome option: overnight oats. This one requires planning as you'll prepare it the night before, but the result is worth it. You'll need rolled oats, almond milk, Greek yogurt, and your choice of fruits and seeds for toppings. Combine the oats, milk, and yogurt in a jar, and let it sit overnight in the refrigerator. In the morning, add your favorite fruits and seeds. This meal is a fiber powerhouse thanks to the oats, and it's also rich in protein from the Greek yogurt. Plus, you'll get a natural sweetness and vitamins from the fruits. Our final breakfast idea is a smoothie bowl. This is a fun, customizable option that can be as simple or as complex as you'd like. Start with a base of frozen bananas and almond milk in a blender. You can then add in other fruits, spinach, or protein powder. Blend until smooth, then pour into a bowl and add your desired toppings, such as granola, nuts, or more fruits. This meal is a great way to sneak in some greens first thing in the morning, and it's also high in vitamins and antioxidants. And there you have it. Breakfast is served and ready to power your day. Lunch is the perfect opportunity to replenish your energy and keep you going. Here are some nutritious and time-saving lunch ideas. First up, we have a vibrant quinoa salad. This protein-packed grain, when combined with an array of colorful veggies, makes for a satisfying and healthful lunch. Start by cooking quinoa in a pot of boiling water. While it's simmering, chop up some bell peppers, cucumbers, and cherry tomatoes. Once the quinoa is cool, mix in the veggies, add a squeeze of lemon, a drizzle of olive oil, and season with salt and pepper. Toss it all together, and there you have it. Packed with fiber and protein, this salad will keep you full and focused for the rest of your day. Next, let's talk about a classic: the chicken avocado wrap. For this, you'll need cooked chicken breast, ripe avocado, and a whole grain wrap. Spread mashed avocado onto the wrap, add sliced chicken, and if you like, throw in some lettuce for that extra crunch. Roll it up and you're good to go. Avocados are a great source of healthy fats, while the chicken provides you with lean protein. Combined with the whole grain wrap, this meal offers a balanced mix of nutrients to fuel your afternoon. Lastly, we have the hummus veggie bowl. Start with a base of hummus. Add in some roasted sweet potatoes, chickpeas, and your choice of greens. Sprinkle on some sesame seeds for a crunch and drizzle with a tahini dressing. This bowl is not only easy to prepare, but also a powerhouse of nutrients. Chickpeas and sweet potatoes are high in fiber, keeping you satiated, while the hummus provides a healthy dose of plant-based protein. With these lunch ideas, you're set for a midday meal that satisfies and sustains. So, who said eating healthy has to be boring or time-consuming? With a little planning, you can whip up these nourishing lunches in no time. And remember, the key to a healthy lifestyle is variety. So don't hesitate to mix and match these ideas to suit your taste. Happy meal prepping! Dinner is the time to unwind and nourish your body. Here are some easy and wholesome dinner ideas. First up, we have a hearty quinoa stir-fry. Quinoa, the ancient grain, is packed with fiber and protein, making it a perfect base for our stir-fry. Toss in a rainbow of bell peppers, red onions, and snap peas. Add some finely chopped garlic and ginger for that extra zing. Sauté all these in a drizzle of olive oil until they are slightly tender. Then mix in your cooked quinoa. A splash of low-sodium soy sauce or tamari can add a wonderful depth of flavor. This vibrant stir-fry is a feast for the eyes and a fuel for the body. Next on the list is a delightful chickpea curry. Chickpeas are an excellent source of plant-based protein and fiber. Start by sautéing onions, garlic, and ginger until they're aromatic. Add in your spices: turmeric, cumin, and coriander. These spices not only add flavor but also have potent anti-inflammatory benefits. Stir in your chickpeas, diced tomatoes, and a touch of coconut milk for creaminess. Let it simmer to allow the flavors to meld together. Serve this over brown rice or with whole grain flatbread for a complete meal that's bursting with flavor and nutrition. Lastly, we have a classic, grilled salmon with a side of steamed broccoli and sweet potatoes. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart and brain health. Season your salmon with your favorite herbs and spices, then grill it to perfection. Steamed broccoli is a powerhouse of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, while sweet potatoes add a touch of natural sweetness and are packed with vitamin A. This balanced meal provides a wonderful mix of protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. So look forward to dinner time with these stress-free and nutritious meals. Scene script. Snacks shouldn't be an afterthought. Here are some healthy and quick snack ideas. First up, we've got a vibrant and crunchy carrot and cucumber sticks with hummus. It's a simple yet satisfying snack that's big on nutrition. Start by peeling and cutting the carrots and cucumbers into sticks. For the hummus, blend chickpeas, tahini, lemon juice, garlic, and olive oil until smooth. The beauty of this snack is its versatility. Not a fan of carrots or cucumbers? Substitute them with your favorite veggies. The hummus is a fantastic source of plant-based protein and fiber, while the carrots and cucumbers offer an abundance of vitamins and minerals. Next on our list is a classic, but with a twist: the apple and almond butter sandwich. Slice an apple into thin rounds, spread a layer of almond butter on a slice, and top it with another. This snack is a great balance of sweet and savory. The apples provide a healthy dose of fiber and antioxidants, while the almond butter adds a punch of protein and healthy fats. Plus, it's a fun and unique way to enjoy your apples. Last but not least, we have the trail mix. This is the ultimate on-the-go snack. Combine a variety of nuts, seeds, dried fruits, and maybe even some dark chocolate chips. Each ingredient in the trail mix has its own health benefits. Nuts and seeds are packed with heart-healthy fats, proteins, and fiber. Dried fruits contribute vitamins and antioxidants, while dark chocolate chips add a touch of indulgence and are also a great source of antioxidants. Remember, the key to a healthy snack is balance. Include a mix of macronutrients, proteins, fats, and carbs, and ensure you're getting a good dose of vitamins and minerals. With these snack ideas, you're all set for some guilt-free munching. Scene script. Meal prepping is not just about the meals, but also how you prepare them. Here are some valuable tips. Firstly, planning ahead is essential. Before you even set foot in the kitchen, take a few moments to consider your menu for the upcoming week. Consider your schedule, identify the days when you'll need a quick meal or a portable lunch. This way you can tailor your meal prep to fit your lifestyle. Next, embrace the concept of batch cooking. This involves making large quantities of a particular dish, then dividing it into individual portions to be eaten throughout the week. This method is a time saver and can also help maintain portion control. For instance, cooking a big pot of quinoa on Sunday can provide a base for lunches and dinners over the next few days. Then, let's talk about containers. Invest in good quality, preferably glass containers that are microwave safe and come in various sizes. They will keep your food fresh longer and are more sustainable and healthier than plastic. Having a variety of sizes allows for better portion control and meal variety. Keeping your meals balanced is another crucial point. Aim to include a source of protein, complex carbohydrates, and vegetables in each meal. This balance ensures you're getting a range of nutrients and keeps you feeling satisfied longer. For example, your dinner could consist of grilled chicken for protein, sweet potatoes for complex carbohydrates, and a colorful salad for vegetables. Finally, remember that flexibility is key. If you're new to meal prepping, start small. Perhaps prep your lunches for the week, then gradually add in more meals as you get comfortable. And don't forget to keep it fun and varied. Try new recipes, experiment with different cuisines. This way, you'll always look forward to your meals and won't fall into the trap of eating the same thing day in and day out. Remember, a good meal prep routine can make your life easier and healthier. That wraps up our quick and healthy meal prep ideas for busy lifestyles. We've journeyed through breakfast, lunch, dinner, and even snack ideas, all designed to nourish your body and save you precious time. I encourage you all to try these out. Swap in your favorite ingredients and make these meals your own. Feel free to share your meal prep experiences and any delicious discoveries you make. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Stay healthy and see you in our next video.